Here we go. Let's take a look at number 12 now. Number 12, again, we're writing the formula, and then we have to find the sixth term. So the way they gave us this one, they used a table. They used n and a sub n, and they're telling you when n is 1, you're looking at your first term, and your first term is 2,436. When n is 2, you're looking at your second term. It's negative 243.6. When n is 3, you're looking at your third term. That one's positive 24.36, and I'm going to have to squeeze that in there for our fourth term. When n is 4, it's negative 2.436, which I think you can see 2436, 2436, 2436, 2436, and I hope you recognize that all that's happening is the decimals shifting backwards. So the number's getting smaller. Since the number's getting smaller, we have to multiply by a small number. Since it's just a decimal shift of one place, that common ratio is going to be 1/10. If you have your doubts, pick any number, divide by the previous one, you'll see it's 1/10. We'll actually do that. And it's going to end up being negative because it switches from positive to negative. So let's find that ratio. Let's do it. Let's take any term, 243.6, and let's divide it by 2,436. So if we shift the decimal once out, now this becomes negative 2436 over 2436.0, and if we divide out a 2,436, it'll go in there once, it'll go in there 10 times, which gets us negative 1/10. That's what our ratio is. Remember, we need that ratio because we're supposed to write the formula. Now I can comfortably write the formula that it's going to be a sub n is the first term is 2,436, 2436, times the constant ratio, which is negative 1/10, or if you wrote negative 0.1, that's fine, you could do that decimal, to the n minus 1. So there you have it. I think rather than jump to the calculator to evaluate this, we're just going to find the sixth term by keep shifting this decimal, right? Because we shift it once to get that, we shift it one more time to get that, we shift it one time to get this, we shift it to there, we get the fifth term. If we shift it one more time, we'll get the sixth term. So the fifth term is going to be negative, it's going to switch from, positive to negative and then negative to positive, 0.2436. If we shift it one more, it's going to become negative 0.02436. Hey, if you notice a pattern, why wouldn't you put it to use, right? A sub 6 is going to be negative 0.02436. There's your formula. There's your sixth term. We'll be back in a moment with number 13.